think one of the main things that draws a lot of drummers into playing cajon is the idea of having a very compact setup that can still produce a fairly convincing drum kit-like sound. Tambourine is just so good because, well, if you can learn to balance it on your leg, it does take some time, then you don't need a stand. You can break it up with a finger technique, and you can start to get a sound that would actually require two hands with two sticks on a hi-hat. No hi-hat stand, no heavy cymbals, just your fingers, and your other hand is still free to then play other things. All right, so let's get you started, huh? We'll put the tambourine on your right leg. This tambourine is quite large. I find that the larger tambourines balance the best, and there's a handle section here which is going this way, and my hand is playing up at the front here. I tend to use a little bit of my arm here to stabilize things. And after you get a little more comfortable, you might not need that so much. Give your hand a little more freedom to move, that's okay. But for starters, nice and stable, nice and secure, this is where we'll begin. It took me probably 5 hours or so of constant practice before I could have it not slide off my leg halfway through learning a new rhythm. But that's it, it's just part of the process. Anytime it slides down, just bring it back and start again. It's patience. And then the coordination, the balance is just gonna come. So first of all, we'll just try some light taps, some quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's add in some bass at the same time. Okay, add in a snare, little alternation thing. Bass, snare, that kind of groove. Okay, maybe now we'll add a little bit of subdivision on the right hand. So we'll play some eighth notes. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1. Okay, I think maybe after that you can start to add a little bit of variation with the left hand, for example. I'd really love to hear your thoughts on this kind of setup. Have you tried this before? Have you tried something similar? Do you have something that works well for you when you're trying to do that kind of compact drum kit cajon setup? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. If you're enjoying the video so far, please also give it a like and subscribe if you're new here and you want to see more videos like this in the future.